My soul is tired, we're searching for a love that's hard to find. We're walking through the night with tears in the eyes. We're trying to find a way to a brand new life. Oh, wounded heart, why you still bleed? A bittersweet reminder of love that's lost its need. We're trying to move on, but we're stuck in the past. Oh, wounded heart, will you forever lie? Dear, my heart is broken, like a leaf on a tree. My soul is spoken, my heart is wounded, my soul is tired. We're searching for a love that's hard to find. We're walking through the night with tears in the eyes. We're trying to find a way to a brand new life. Oh, wounded heart, why you still bleed? A bittersweet reminder. Oh, wounded heart, why you still bleed? A bittersweet reminder of love that's lost its need. We're trying to move on, but we're stuck in the past. Oh, wounded heart, will you forever lie? We're trying to find solace in the arms of strangers, but your memory haunts me like a lingering danger. We're searching for a refuge from the stormy night, but your love is my shelter, the guiding light. Oh, wounded heart, why you still bleed? A bittersweet reminder of love that's lost its need. We're trying to move on, but we're stuck in the past. Oh, wounded heart, will you forever last? Maybe someday we will learn to let go and find a way to a brand new home, where love won't hurt me and heartache won't rule. And we will find peace in a brand new home. Walk on and dear, my heart, why you still bleed? A bittersweet reminder of love that's lost its need. To let go and find your way to a brand new home, where love won't hurt me and heartache won't roll. And me will find me peace in a brand new home. Walk on me dear, my heart is healing like a river flowing. My soul is revealing